Hi, I'm Philip Morgan. Today is December the 3rd. On this day, we commemorate International Day for Persons with Disabilities. Did you know there are over 1 billion people living with some form of disability or another throughout the world? At the International Committee of the Red Cross, our physical rehabilitation programs provide support for persons with disabilities living in conflict areas. And some of these injuries can be life-changing. Here in Somalia, together with our partner, the Somali Red Crescent Society, we have provided treatment for over 700 people directly affected by the conflict, whether it be a landmine or whether it be a gunshot. We provide artificial limbs, orthotic devices, and even wheelchairs for those people requiring these. Children come to the rehabilitation centres as well, with a variety of problems such as cerebral palsy. Children sometimes are born with clubfoot. The Ponseti treatment method requires some castings over a period of time, and then they're put into braces. But this is one disability that can be well treated. I think we should recognise the importance of accepting persons with disabilities within society, that they become active participants within that community, and that they are recognised and that they need help in terms of education, employment opportunities, and active participation in society. So on this day, today particularly, spare a thought for those persons with disabilities within your communities.